Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. We have a hot air station for repair, as some viewers requested, that I may not be telling the truth, that it was not working. I will now show you how I repair it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. This is my hot air station. It is totally an analog air and temperature control. I buy this in about 22 years ago. It is my first hot air station and I'm still using it until now. I have repaired it already about 3 times. Always the trouble is the air pump, the heater and the heater adjustment. Now it looks the heater adjustment is the problem again. Sometimes I'm considering buying a new one, but the current one still works fine. Some viewers saying that I should use flux. I don't use flux more often because I am a TV tech, not a cell phone tech who needs a more flux to solder the tiny components. I'm not making content to teach how to solder. It is about troubleshooting. Being skilled at soldering does not automatically make you an expert. This is the temperature control uses a variable resistor or potentiometer. This potentiometer was damaged before. I used the other side terminal to work because the other side was open, so when adjusting to high, turn the potentiometer it to counterclockwise. Now seems both sides are now open. If the potentiometer is open, the heater will not turn on. Let's short the terminal of the potentiometer. As you can see, the heater light indicator blinks, which means that the potentiometer is really open. I connected the blue wire to the other terminal of the potentiometer because it was open when I last repaired it. The 3 fixed end was open, so I use this one fixed end. So turn counterclockwise to high the temperature. Let's remove the potentiometer. The 3 fixed end is open and the 1 fixed end is open. There is no way to fix it. I don't have 500K potentiometer, let's try this 50K. Only the 2 variable end and the 3 fixed end is needs to connect. The blink of the heater light is not slowing. 50K is not enough to lower the temperature control, it needs the 500K potentiometer. Let's use the air potentiometer for the heater temperature control. The temperature is important to adjust in normal operation. And let's use the 50K potentiometer for the air control. There are 2 potentiometers of the 50K. Let's series the connection so it becomes 100K. The air is adjusting, but not too much. Let's solder the 500K potentiometer for the heater control. As you can see, it's adjust from low to high now. And the heater is working now. I series a 76K on the potentiometer, so it's lower a bit, the air blows. The air adjusts in the right blows of air. Not too high and not too low. Let's remove a chip. Let's resolder a voltage regulator. Now my hot air is working again. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.